Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making delicious fish cutlet which can be served as a snack or starter for a meal. They are crunchy, crispy and packed with a spice. Let's take a look at the ingredients we will need for this recipe. 200 grams tuna steaks, 650 grams potato, 125 grams onion, 2 green chilies, 50 grams tomatoes, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground cardamom, quarter teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon oil, half a teaspoon curry leaves, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. For the pane, 2 eggs and some breadcrumbs. For deep frying, you need some oil. Cut the potatoes into quarters. Take a deep pot. Pour in enough water to cover the potatoes and boil them for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, add some oil, onion, sweat the onion for 2 minutes. Add your curry leaves, chilies and chopped tomatoes, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, salt to taste. Fry it until the raw smells of the spices disappears. Meanwhile, you can see the potatoes are boiling. Drain the water from the pot. When the potatoes are properly boiled, you will know they are ready when the skins start to peel off on their own. If that doesn't happen, poke the potatoes with a screw or fork. If it goes through easily without resistance, it's time to turn off the stove and drain the water immediately. Add the tuna steak to the pan and fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the water dries up. The filling needs to be dry for the cutlets, then turn off the heat. Peel the boiled potatoes and add them directly to the pan. Add enough salt and pepper. Then mash until the potatoes are soft and well combined. Make sure to scrape the bottom of the pan to capture all the flavors stuck to it. This filling needs to be very dry, then only it will hold the shape. At the same time, it won't crack during deep frying. If the filling is too wet, the filling could spill out. Take a scale, cover it with a cling film. The cling film helps prevent cross contaminations. Allow the filling to cool down before proceed to this step. The scale will help you divide the filling into equal portions. Take a tray and dust it with plain flour, then set it aside. Take portions of the filling, roughly 26 grams to 30 grams each. Shape each portion into a very tight bowl, ensuring there are no cracks or visible pieces of vegetables peeking out. You should get about 30 bowls. I managed to make 29 cutlets. I didn't bother to make one more. Cover the tray with cling film and set it aside until you are ready for the next step. For the pane, as you all know the word of the coating, you will need eggs and breadcrumbs. First, dip the cutlet into the egg mixture, then into the breadcrumbs. Shape them gently to remove any excess breadcrumbs. You can dip them once or twice to ensure a crunchy, crispy coating. Once done, deep fry the cutlet in deep pan. Make sure the cutlets are fully covered with oil while frying. This will prevent them from cracking. Apologize for forgetting to record this step. Fry until golden brown. For the most authentic taste, try it without any sauce, but you can still serve it with some if you prefer. These cutlets are perfect as a starter, meal, or tea time snack. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'll see you in my next video. Please stay tuned to my channel. Until then, bye from Chef Fatima Shifnaz.